Hello, these are my toys. I'm gonna open it with you. This is the yellow one, this is the blue one, and this is the purple one, and this is the pink one. So let's open the pink one first. I go get some scissors. So, hold on. Mini.
Go ahead.
So here it is, the pink. Like her.
She's pretty. Can you open her up? Can we see what she looks like? She's tough to open.
They don't want us to open. Sorry, I stepped down.
Pink fairy. Pink fairy.
Let's take it out so we take a good look. This wing is yellow. You can put this at the back so it can be a ring.
A ring? Oh, look at that.
Very.
Very cute.
Or you can put on the stand. And then it won't tip over or anything in the pot.
Cool.
And this little pink thing you take out, and you hang this on it, and you put the fairy inside, and then you have a little necklace.
Oh.
I got some foam pieces over here for the little fairies up on while they're flying around. Give me their wings first. So I got all of the foam. So then I put it places so fairies can hop on it. So the fairies can hop on it. Let's put her back inside. And then close her over again. Next. Here's the blue fairy. She has a different hairstyle than the others. So let's open her. She has pigtails. She has a purple wing. So we can remove this like the others. Let's take out this so we can see her actual pigtails. Ta-da!
Cute.
Pigtails.
Cute.
She has wings with like little gemstones. And she has like a little dress. She's a blue fairy. pop this back on like the others. I'm gonna call her Berry Blue. And I'll call her Pale. I'm gonna call her Heart. Here's the pink that we just opened and the blue that we just opened. So now let's open the purple. Violet, because Violet's my name. Here is she. She has a blue stand. You can mess these up. I'm gonna put this one here. So she has a ribbon in her hair. See her back, some hair sticking out, but it's a cute bun. She has a blue with the wing. She has little shoes like the others. And she also has a beautiful glittery dress. And her wings are made out of gemstones. That's all about this one. They also moved their heads. They're moving the right heads too. But that was easy. So cute with pigtails. I'm gonna call her Banana Starts. She has a glittery banana dress. She has a purple thing that doesn't go for her, so I'm gonna give it to Purple Girl. And yeah, you can see me mix up these at the end. So she has. I made her have pigtails, banana pigtails. Because she looks cuter with banana pigtails. Banana pigtails. Beautiful, beautiful dress. It's kind of see-through. And her legs are removable. If you want to remove them again. And then you put it back in. And her arms, you can move her arms, you can twist her head, move her legs. So now let's mix up the little things and give them to the others that deserve it. So first the pig, the cutie, you. I choose you. back in there. So you, banana pigtails, you have that. And let's open this up. Okay, well, is the pink. Okay, trying to find a pink. Okay, it must be in here. Yeah. Where was the pink? Where's the pink one?
The pink barrel is over there.
No, the little pink stand for her. I don't. Well, which one is it in?
Okay.
So I'm just fixing these boy sweats right now. So I got all the wings. So we have 2 purple ones. I wish we had a pink one. See? 2 purple wings. Dropped them, sorry. Put them in a pile. We have a banana wing. Banana wing. Banana. And there's a blue wing. So, and we have a banana blue ice necklace. It's shiny, shiny, don't you see? Pink bracelet, blue bracelet, and purple blanket. We have a purple girl, blue girl, banana girl, and then a pink girl. So let's take them out again. So we can give them their colors. So I guess you have another purple one. Have a purpley day. Pinkie Pie. I'm calling her Pinkie Pie. I call it Heart Pinkie Pie. Okay. Yeah, she does have Pinkie Pie. Let's put her in there. And then purple grape. Sorry, you almost got out. This thing don't stink. Put berry grape back inside. Banana blueberry. Apple green. Call her banana blueberry. With the pigtails. Pigtails. Give her banana bracelet. Bananas are the best. No, I hate bananas. I hate bananas. They're disgusting. When I see a banana right next to me, I'll freak out. I'll say, "Oh my God, what are you doing? Who put you here?" No, you did the garbage outside and never see it again. I will do something. Now, fire for blueberry. Color blue raspberry ice. Blue raspberry ice. I'm gonna color. Okay, she's kind of slippery. With the pigtails. Yeah, pigtails. Pigtails, girl. I like banana with pigtails though. Are you serious? You gotta be kidding me, you know. Come on. Can you help me?
You gotta help her. Is this little ring? Goes right in this little hole right here. Just push it in.
Now let's give the bracelets. This is for Berry Blue. There we go, Berry Blue. Your bracelet. There you go. There you go. And there you go. Bye.